Hey, what's going on today, guys? MemphisMike here. Today I'm out on the GoldWing, and I want to shoot a quick vid for you. I've been doing a little bit, fooling with some different mounts and everything, and I just want to share with you some different options on your GoldWing where to mount your GoPro. A lot of you like to video your rides. You're even thinking about starting a motovlog channel, and I just want to show you 3 or 4 different options for mounting your GoPro, and I will show you kind of the angle that it gives you with some footage and everything. So I mean, first of all, of course, I have the Chinbar Mount right here. That's not necessarily specific to the GoldWing, but that'll work for any bike. So I've got a camera here on the Chinbar Mount on my Shoei Neo Tech. So that's one place to start. And of course you can see the view from the helmet view right here. But like I said, that's not really specific to the GoldWing. Let's talk about the next view. We got a selfie view mounted on the mirror. So I've got a selfie view mounted on the mirror. And of course I have a different helmet that you see on there. I shot this footage. I was just out cruising around smoking a stogie. But you can mount that on the mirror. Now, make sure you trust your mount, your suction cup mount, if you do place it on the mirror or some sort like that. I really recommend the GoPro suction cup because that thing holds really well. So that's one option. That's kind of for a selfie view. Other view is, of course, the Visor Mount for a selfie view. If you want to mix it up, if you just don't want to capture scenery and you want to kind of mix your videos up, you can do a Visor Mount. And that's just a common GoPro mount that you can find easily. They're all cheap and everything. So let's talk about another one here. I'll show you some footage on this. You can do kind of the left side of the wing, as you see right here, the left or right side. And it gives you cool footage right here. You can kind of see the lines on the road, kind of takes in some of the road as well. And again, if you do not trust your suction cup mount, I highly suggest you tether your camera somewhere. If you can't afford to lose your camera and tear it up, then I would suggest that you tether it somewhere to the bike so you're not going down the road and boom, your camera is rolling down the road. And you can do this on the left hand side or the right hand side of the bike as well. Of course, you can see the footage, the difference that it captures right here. So that's another angle right there that you can use. Another angle is the sticky mount on the luggage rack that you can see. Now this just gives you a view from behind the bike. That's it. I mean, it's not very, it's not really that impressive of a view. But if you're trying to put together some footage for a video and you want different angles, these are just a few of the different ones that you can do right here. And all these GoPro mounts, they're really cheap. You can get these on Amazon or wherever. All these accessories are really affordable. You don't have to buy the actual GoPro brand. There's so many knockoff versions that you can do. But that's all I want to do, was just kind of share some different footage with you of the different angles. There are so many different ways you can mount a GoPro to your GoldWing. If you can think of it, you can mount it. You can do it. There's crash bar mounts, there's windshield mounts, wherever. You can suction cup it to the saddlebag. Heck, I've even suction cup put it where I can see underneath my bike. But I just wanted to share just a few of these with you right here, because a lot of people ask, especially in the GoldWing forums, what's the best place to mount the camera? The best place to mount the GoPro camera is wherever you can think about mounting that camera. It's not rocket science, guys. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, sharing these different views with you here. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, if you will. I appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you later.